Hello friends, today we will learn that how to change the background color in AutoCAD. Let's start it. Let me open a drawing. Now press right click and go to Options. Now go to the Display tab and select the color option. As we can see, our current background color is black. We can change it into red, yellow, or whatever we want. If you need another color, you can go to Select Color. Here we have almost all colors. By using True Color, we can also create any color as per our requirements. We can make it lighter and darker, and whatever we need. We also have a color book. Here we can also choose our background color. When you have selected the required color, then click on the Apply and Close button. Then apply and press OK. Press the F7 button to remove the grid lines. Now we have a white background. Remember that the background color can only change the color of our computer screen. It doesn't have any effect on the drawing prints.